Ideal Nursing Academy. Ignited, dynamic, enjoyable academy for learning. Welcome to Achievers Academy.
Hi everyone, I am Lingaraju AR from Achievers Academy, Nurse the Voice to Lead. Every patient seeks medical help when his or her pain becomes too much to bear. How does the healthcare provider determines what is wrong and what to do to restore the patient good health? The answer comes for this when you know about the one of the nursing specialties, that is medical surgical nursing. It is a branch of nursing specialty which especially cares adults in wide range of settings. In this subject, I am going to discuss more than 17 chapters, each providing a description of major body system and the diseases or disorders which can affect that system. The diseases or the disorders can be divided under the following, like the definition of a disease, the signs and symptoms, the causes and the risk factors which leads to that particular disease, and even the most important, that is pathophysiology, that I am going to discuss in detail. Plus the diagnosis test to identify that disease and the treatment, both medical and nursing. And this video is especially designed for the nursing students. So definitely I'll discuss the nursing diagnosis and the nursing interventions for the particular disease. In this introductory part, let us see some of the systems in brief. For example, the first one is cardiovascular system. Is considered as the easiest system in medical surgical nursing subject. So here we have three basic components. One is heart, second one is blood vessels, and the last one is the blood itself. We know that heart is required to pump the blood, and the blood vessels are likely to be delivery routes which provides the way to move the blood. And the third is most important, the blood will carry the oxygen and even other waste materials where the body is required. In this section, I am going to discuss some of the diseases like myocardial infarction, congestive cardiac failure, and other variety of diseases which most predominantly comes under this cardiovascular system. The second most important system in our body is respiratory system, also known as pulmonary system. So here the structure consists of nose, mouth, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and ends at alveoli. Even diaphragm also comes under this respiratory system. So here the basic functions are inhaling the oxygen from external atmosphere to the body where every cells need, and same time it take out the waste products and the carbon dioxide from the body to the external atmosphere. So in this system, I am going to discuss even the simple disease like sinusitis and the major or the deadliest disease like COPD. Another major system in our body is urinary system, also known as renal system. It mainly consists of kidneys, ureters, bladder, and ends with urethra. The most important function of this urinary system is to one, eliminate the waste from our body, and to maintain the blood volume and blood pressure. In this system, we are going to see some of the major diseases like renal failure, urinary tract infections, kidney stones, etc. With this short introductory part, I am going to sign off with an interesting incident which has happened in the year 2015 in UK. The youngest organ donor is a baby teddy who lived only for 100 minutes, and he was suffering with a medical condition, anencephaly. Because of that, he donated his both kidneys to an adult person who was suffering with a renal failure. In the next class, I will begin my first topic, fluid and electrolyte imbalance. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.